what are we going to see in this video? Every great donut starts with a perfect, pillowy dough made from the finest organic ingredients available. Our high-speed mixing process creates a consistent texture that is essential for the perfect rise. Thousands of pounds of fresh dough are prepped every hour to meet the global morning demand. Industrial rollers flatten the batch into a consistent, velvet sheet that ensures every donut is identical. This uniform dough sheet is the foundation for millions of delicious treats produced in our factory. Precision cutters stamp out the iconic donut rings with absolute mathematical accuracy at high speeds. Excess dough is lifted away carefully, leaving only the perfect circles ready for the next transformation. These raw rings are now prepared for their journey through our temperature-controlled proofing environment. The rings enter a warm proofer to rise and expand into the light texture we love. Controlled humidity allows the yeast to work its magic, creating an incredibly light and airy interior. Once they've doubled in size, it's time for the heat to create that signature golden crust. Submerged in hot oil, the dough develops a golden crunch while staying incredibly soft on the inside. A synchronized flip ensures an even cook on both sides for that perfect professional bakery finish. Emerging from the hot oil, perfectly fried and airy, they are ready for their final sweet coating. Now, for the main event, the classic sugar glaze falls in a beautiful, shimmering waterfall of sweetness. A thin, sweet layer that coats every single curve, creating a glass-like finish that melts in your mouth. Cooling down to lock in that signature sticky shine and ensure the glaze stays perfectly in place. The rapid cooling process creates that irresistible crunch that every glazed donut lover truly craves. Some receive a rich, warm bath of dark, molten chocolate for a truly indulgent and decadent flavor. A heavy shower of colorful sprinkles adds a pop of color and a delightful crunch to every bite. Digital eyes scan every unit for the perfect shape and size to maintain our high-quality standards. Only the finest, most beautiful donuts make it to the final box for our valued customers' enjoyment. Packaging begins as the branded boxes are formed in seconds by advanced automated folding technology systems. A dozen fresh donuts are packed with robotic speed and precision to ensure they remain perfectly intact. Sealing in the fresh aroma and the sweetness to protect the product during the long delivery journey. Finally, it reaches the eager hands of the donut lover, ready for that first incredible morning bite. Soft, airy, and impossibly fresh, it represents the gold standard of modern industrial bakery production today. The ultimate breakfast experience, perfected by food science and engineering for a consistently delicious result every time. From our high-tech factory to your table, Forge Insider delivers unlimited sweetness and industrial perfection every single day. The finished donuts move in a massive, organized wave to ensure every unit is cooled perfectly. A perfect crystalline structure forms on the surface, giving it that legendary Forge Insider signature shine. All production lines converge with robotic timing as we prepare for the final high-speed packaging stage. Every package is marked with precision tracking data to ensure the highest quality for our customers. Our automated systems can assemble hundreds of Forge Insider branded boxes in just a few minutes. Soft robotic grippers handle the donuts with care, ensuring the delicate glaze remains absolutely flawless. This high-speed assembly line is a masterpiece of modern engineering, designed for maximum food safety. Sealing the box preserves that incredible fresh-baked aroma that makes every Forge Insider donut so special. A final touch of adhesive secures the package for its long journey to the local bakery. Individual boxes are organized into master crates, ready to be loaded onto our fleet of trucks. The crates move rapidly toward the departure zone as the factory works through the night. Logistics data is scanned instantly to route every shipment to the correct destination across the country. The loading process is fast and efficient, ensuring the product reaches stores while still incredibly fresh. Securing the load for transport, keeping the temperature controlled and the quality perfectly locked inside. Another shipment leaves the Forge Insider facility, bringing sweetness to thousands of hungry people today. Racing against the clock to ensure every donut is on the shelf before the sun rises. Arriving at the local store just as the first light of morning hits the city streets. The boxes are carefully displayed, showcasing the variety of glazed and chocolate-covered treats we produce. A beautiful display of industrial perfection, ready for the morning rush of hungry donut enthusiasts. The customer finally picks their favorite, feeling the warmth and softness of a truly fresh donut. That first bite reveals the incredible contrast between the crunchy glaze and the soft, fluffy interior. Look at those perfect air pockets, a result of our specialized proofing and frying technology process. Behind every bite is a world of advanced technology and a passion for consistent bakery excellence. We test every batch to ensure the Forge Insider standard is met in every single donut. Only the highest quality sugar is used to create our signature shimmering Glaze Waterfall effect. Self-cleaning systems ensure that our production line remains sterile and ready for the next massive batch. As the shift ends, we prepare the facility for tomorrow's goal of bringing more joy to everyone. The Forge Insider factory stands as a leader in high-tech food production and industrial bakery innovation. Thank you for watching Forge Insider. Subscribe now to see more incredible industrial manufacturing processes revealed. Experience the pure satisfaction of a perfectly engineered treat, delivered fresh to you every morning.